There is this kind of orange juice vending machine I see before quite often. I decided to try it recently. Okay, seems like using wireless credit card don't require selection of payment mode. Just go and scan. The cup popped down. A few oranges rolled, but I couldn't see what was done to them. After a while, the door auto-magically opened. I picked it up. Then dug for the straw, which was a bit difficult. Cheers to the vitamin C. This one at HDB Hub costs $2, but I have seen one at another place selling for $3.